Here are 5 ways that neck pain can affect your sleep. Discomfort and restlessness. Neck pain can make it difficult to find a comfortable sleeping position. Constantly shifting and readjusting throughout the night to alleviate pain can lead to restlessness and fragmented sleep, preventing you from reaching deeper stages of rest. Difficulty falling asleep. The discomfort of neck pain can make it challenging to relax and unwind before bedtime. Tension and stiffness in the neck muscles may trigger difficulty falling asleep, prolonging the time it takes to drift off into slumber. Interrupted sleep patterns. Neck pain can cause frequent awakenings during the night. As you shift positions in search of relief or wake up due to discomfort, your sleep patterns become fragmented, disrupting the natural sleep cycle and reducing overall sleep quality. Increased stress and anxiety. Chronic neck pain can contribute to heightened levels of stress and anxiety, both of which can negatively impact sleep. The physical discomfort combined with emotional distress may lead to heightened arousal, making it harder to relax and fall asleep. Morning stiffness and fatigue. Waking up with a stiff or sore neck due to poor sleep posture or unresolved pain can leave you feeling fatigued and unrested in the morning. This morning stiffness may take time to alleviate, affecting your energy levels and overall well-being throughout the day. Addressing neck pain through proper sleep ergonomics, relaxation techniques, and targeted therapeutic interventions can help mitigate its impact on your sleep quality, promoting better rest and overall health.